Hello everyone, welcoming all of you once again in our one more video of micro Vickers hardness tester. So today we are going to show you our computer control micro Vickers hardness tester. Today I attached this computer control software with our model ST1000AD. This is auto turret machine. That means when we give the command on software, the turret will automatically rotate. This machine is also equipped with digital XY table. That means when we measure the impression via the eyepiece, the diagonal will automatically sense on the keypad, and when we press the button, the diagonal will be locked and give the hardness value. This machine is also equipped with digital XY table. So when we taking the impression at different distances, user only need to move the distance. After that, take the indentation and press the communication button on the XY table. When he press the button here, the distance of this X or Y will automatically goes to the software and it will be locked at that distance. So now I am going to perform a test on this machine. Before performing a test, user need to select the desired load and need to focus the component. After that, he need to move the distance at which he want to take the impression. After moving the desired distance, user need to press the start button on the software. When he press the start button on the software, the command will automatically goes there and our turret will move automatically and take the indentation, hold for the dwell time, then unload, and again 40x objective came and impression will automatically appear on the desktop. So as you can see, our impression is appear on the desktop. After that, user need to press the auto measure button to measure the diagonal. When he press the auto measure button, the software will automatically detect the impression and give the hardness value. If any converted value is selected, then software will also give the hardness on the converted value. After that, user need to select the X axis. Then he need to press the button on the X table. And the distance of that X will automatically lock on the software. Now going to show you that via the zoom. So you can see on the XY table the distance is 4.553 and in our software as well the distance is 4.553. So it automatically take the distance when we press the button on the XY table. After that, to take the printout of that report, user need to press the report button on the software. So now going to open the report which is on the below. After pressing the button, it appear. So you can see our report format. At the top there will be the letterhead of the customer, then all the input data of the component, then test results is there, like the distance at which we take the hardness and the diagonals of the impression along with the HV hardness and the converted hardness. After that, below there is the impressions, images of the impression, then there is the graph, and at the bottom statistical calculation is also there and the footer is also there. So this is the report format which is our standard format. You can see any customization if required that can be informed if that is the possible. So this is our computer control micro Vickers hardness tester along with the digital XY table. Thank you.